family. Jesus once said, love the Lord your God with all your heart and all your mind and all your understanding, and love your neighbor as yourself. And then the disciples asked him this question, who is your neighbor? And so in response to this, he told them a parable about a man that was injured on the side of the road, and one that passed by was a rabbi, a religious leader. The second one was a priest, also a religious leader. And then a Samaritan came by, one who had no business of helping, no association with this injured person. But this man came and he helped him. Not only did he help him, he came back and he said, when I come back, I'm going to pay the bill. I'm going to make sure that this person is okay. Here is what I'm trying to say. We have to do good when it's in our power to do so. We don't have to ask questions. We don't have to check out affiliation or association. Just do good. I've been preaching on this message for this last week. Help is on the way. There are people that need help in our country and especially in the city. Our city is bleeding enormously, and so help is needed. Let's stop asking questions about who you voted for, who you associated to, what religion you belong to, what denomination you belong to, and what church you go to. Let's just do good when it's in our power to do so. And as we do good, God will come through for us. Have an amazing week. God bless you.